Hi friends, in this lesson we are going to learn how to put multiple strokes for text in Illustrator. So please subscribe my channel for more Illustrator tutorials. So first of all, I go to file and take a new artboard. So here I select this letter size. I select orientation as landscape. So with this sentence, I create this artboard. So I take this type tool and here I type custom text. I just type free code. So I change my text font face as this one is perfect for me to teach this tutorial. So when you make multiple strokes for text, you can't put these strokes here. You see in default we have the fill color as white, the stroke color as black. So put more strokes for text, we have to select window and select this appearance uh, dialog box. So select this text and go to here and select add new field. Again, select this text and go to now I select add new stroke. So I'm going to put two strokes for this text. So I again go and add another stroke for this text. Now here we have one field and two strokes. So you have to put this stroke under this field color. So uh, just drag and place here the stroke. This one also drag and place after this first stroke. Now we have fill color as black and first stroke as black and second one also blacks. Now I'm going to change the colors for these fill colors and strokes. So as a fill color, I select this orange color. Here I select white as my first stroke color. Now you can't see anything because your background is also white. So it doesn't matter because we have another stroke for this. So uh, for second stroke, I select this dark blue color. So when you click that, you can see that second stroke here because we have here the number as stroke weight as 1. So we have to increase this stroke size as this. Now you can see uh, two strokes around this text. So we can change this font if you like. So I select this one as my font. So this is how we can put multiple strokes for uh, text. So I'm going to teach you again this one. You just select and type text. I increase this text size as this. So go to window and take appearance dialog box. Uh, Go here and take a new field, and you have to take two or more strokes. So I here add two strokes. So then go and drag these strokes under fill. This one also take and drag after first stroke. Now you can change the colors for this. So I here select the blue color. For this one I select white color. I just increase my stroke weight as 2. Then again you can select another color for this. I select that particular dark color. So increase the stroke weight like this. Okay, now we have just learned how to put multiple strokes for text. This is very useful lesson. I think this is very useful lesson for you to you for your illustrations. So please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Have a nice day. Goodbye.